Yeah, so local Kamza Sakabe and watch the Hype TV and you will embone Isa Sananto Balma Isa Sandable Ami Baraswale Al Hassan. Sanu Kanyan for someone and that Yanama always and Yalani for Shaban follow with a Kanyan for Shaban show your love, ma'am. Mabiana Bansana Tingia Sasha Wansa Ama the Nandaba Iki went to Damle, but Yalani for Shabana put so many things together and Kwanan Catalavna very strongly. And this time around, I am very happy to announce to you that Yalani for Shaban Labna. And then they tanan kata puhpan kamana tene puhpan na shamoma velka dirtaman kamantene dirtaman shamoma makaso yam bansa na tinyala ne shabam mini one of the biggest, one of the finest, one of the best, and of course one of the dupes the mino poa inye denyan yu tabambalama zongo da salonga kana talenta ati anyala ne shabam malabanga handale na temino poa yu tabatan interaction kamza sadana tuni abang nzanjane upolo anyala ne songo yandi dasa danfane kan KTC Hype TV and Balama. Let the time from Bansa Yulumbo Swale Al Hassan to Balama Isasan, and you are watching Hype TV where your real entertainment. Dondi is our guest for tonight. Rapper Dondi. Tinyala Vosha Bankana. Keep watching.
Keep watching. Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Yeah, so in that Tinyala Voshabe Ban Love Nambalama Hype TV Kanyan Vosomuna Kobama Yulumoni Swale Al Hassan. Dondi Yalan Vosombe Dumo Puna before can Labna Osan Katazan Kamza Satani Male and Zanta, the Tunam Bansani Zuma Dapsolomo, in your environment marker and Yavan Sheldon change even Yalanga, and then backdrop ma Alehalanta and Yalan Vosu and then attracted Mbalama. Tinyala Voshabe Ban shooter from Tibula Fashion Design. Tibula Fashion Design Yala also when you're one of the best and one of the biggest designers currently in Northern Ghana. Can you also when share Shabukamuzasa Anebora and then one initiality Zasa Sohono you Zankba Tibula Fashion Design Yala Kamane. He is a no failure person. When they could Dega Namakayala and Lapson Alabmana Dubstelon Dale and Tahati and Paga most definitely Akana Yella Kamzas and Yella when Shishala Dayan now ready in Balama Tinyala Voshabayanza or number and Zampas Cremazo so that Anto Copple then they can you also Mumbore ne but designer so that Sasha comes as a channel of course most definitely can you for someone to look very beautiful very nice just as I am here Hype TV Dondi
Isasan
what's up
street
Kabari channel
I love it
never my battle Ula be Pantani
current best rapper for Northern region.
Oh la la.
Yes sir.
I see. What happened Dondi?
I love it.
Never me you know.
Thank you.
Never the possible that baraka and antimazu.
Good design my way and come
beautiful. You know, then they eat and Katamina Pie and you expectations manual then high.
Yeah.
Lola comes as a kai home command on Dina for some baby. Then Piana Solomas or Puno rap. So there's a need for us to start with that. One boy line matter. We rap face no my matter. Zampatawa Kati just the Tabakana Pejima.
Straight up.
Furbaba.
Mane, I'm the best rapper. Edem nang intro, flows mala dot charger. The use repeat to raps benang transparent. You can't even see through. The Zwanya can land at the Palanula blue. Nivo Biazon Nazwa. Mikachiku tapua. Rest la yitanua. I am fashi adwa. For my gerbu buntua. Who you never you lose sensua. Afro you kunsa kasua. Can't turn the man the bebua. I'm used to the word sabotage. Well, my science student, I play with chemicals. My first flow was made by Adidas, so I bought quality, meeting my atamin price. Now I'm sitting on the throne. Okuma pay the boy is fully grown. Doubters, Dolly and I can't tell you alone. Who cross me out, Bianca be worth danger zone. Among the planets, I'm the Jupiter. Man and Garbaza, Karul, Rebecca, Lucifer. I told you that my rap movie one day Jennifer. I started rapping from Achimota to Winneba. And this will be love, this will be voodoo. From 2014, I know Zuma Manji Judu. Whooped Dudu. And now Whooped Dudu. I know before corners, you can't play me like a Ludu. Don't dare. Who claim the best rapper there? Stop there. Don't use a lion in a sheep to compare. Your favorite rappers know the Mala? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. me. Okay, me that was a rap. Thank you for really making my fans proud. I was solo, now I'm pulling crowd.
Most definitely.
Stone B, apart from me, are you proud?
No.
They say they are the best, but we don't get it. Buffalo is a virus, corona pandemic. I'm the first, of course I deserve it. Break a 2-pack record saying yes I did it. Yerpambang English wala I have a P1. Zaba yerba cheme tilan Jafari one. Gonkalo am a niveau song van the D1. Ntaha ke kambone and the verse 1. Keula. Near than yaman killer rappers 45. Best of chop the mic. Compare the 95. Ka oja advice ma ka lapse na 25. So do we another topa rap school for life. Furbaba. Saya Furbaba. Rap verse pastor munkum hirbaba. Ne rap kabi rap anak tiruguba. Fans in the be wumba rap tirumuba. Na yela na fana. To yambang na yela na she tesna. Man yina kada bampa ye rap na. Man the engine. Me kadolem body ma. Hama yina te yellow no panye North Star. There are symptoms to show that I deserve the car. So Bokiji agula follow the North Star. Fast gada mama punya le jano star. Keula. Tiara pes bune man kakubo batum bia bune la simple. On voice it pan beat zo de nya smala Carlos nung jungle. Sister Betma Andy be de yala man wa gamble. Tamal girls la kaba bia to yala boy la na man you abandon. Mun koma yembra aman nang de ne kura gafara. Do me kapion pion kam za nyel sera. Anunu mo bu unzo bia so pira. De zo zom kam piele jambole nwele don di pana ne jira me mpole chem kam vele bon kam vele kafle balabu pi kule nyama jamame punchline samun kai como pa me boy man rap ma saying old school those days alam pain yar ndaba nya beat de par bang pain but anyway wula nya intention abora to be peace election before can chama learn the lesson do you know what no bora peace election
mbwana zan chop the mic you know I'm cipher ma pune la little base man zan conversation
believe ya na sango madudu la ya ro nyina ha we chop the mic pamanga ilem gambi masika koko koni maboko haka yiya baba mfoto atade ka bulisa koko to bon na le go da ambassador man kombo sini mutuo da bambe shika pla ulande na yituo ne demuno panso kula kargo plan pada tra yuma nazo kan fofla so right now don't the botanical name is Mr. Popular. Hey, Muraleje, a calculation Muraje, but do not pick for my whole catch your premier better. Bekan de mama rap shinka fakan yokum de la pete. Among all competitions, drop the mic and lead.
Most definitely, my all online TV stations, high media, and any of us Banchan Kabadwala. Then Yeshamza Sambarama, Laura and Clay, and Yaravan Sheshal, the need one Kasukabza, and Vosu, one jet the Danfan and Barama. Dondi, I'm a quick and one at the Canada, la particular job the mic, side fashion in the Nangoma. I face my Ulakira Nanga Kana together to push a particular project from beginning to end.
Yeah, I really didn't that chance your mat. That's all that part.
Okay,
so
I want the cipher in particular. That particular yellow like Ulaki joining heads together into two.
Yeah, mami tuzara bra put minute create chorus so come in chorus and verse na.
Okay.
So tata na dan chorus mana. So come da zon chorus na.
Okay.
But katrata pi second chorus. Then ka just fix it to verse na lupune.
Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So mbana takanata nyanya danda nan kanya ne voso monjira nsabre la particular verse shara anko no. Ara America man la particular dam bembe ma asopune. Kanya kama no never taken time. Boys, my flow.
Well, near Akunya, I mean, Yina can never do the damn fan.
That's fine.
So the tuner Yina Kavjela.
All right.
The tuner near womb, the damn fan, maybe car. Helen, you would diga, Akunya, my damn fan.
Wow.
Yes.
Beautiful. So at the end of the day, let's say maybe Yilmana, everybody watching us on Hype TV and testify to the fact that a part man even Shishale Sulema so you understand? You could see so many people, bashing, rapping, wait. And rap very shallow the Punama. Then Nanka Yilama Yinanage, Karachang 8 months or 2. Your mama will to blend Rabe to receive the recommendations from the families. Can you for someone to blend or wear it?
Yeah, and that to blend with it because I really
like I receive messages. Like what you did on that song is one of the best.
Too much. Wow. Because rap nubishama rap the more can rap bene arapra
Okay.
the termala mo flare
That's fine.
man sabre mo rap
That's
nyasa terba. So I think na kunya an opportunity.
Wow.
People watch it and monitor who
That's fine.
really
Did well on that song, yeah?
So can could try bang manga.
That's fine.
And I think it's dinda kunya the best.
That's fine.
Because-
Because it's a Canadian yenya. About under 79. I mean, around the past, me or later, maybe especially attacker.
Attacker.
You understand? Because this is a competition thing. Kayirna to boy face when another so near You understand?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
definitely, the Tonanka, I'm a particular eyebrows, my wrist.
Yeah. Well, mami attacker to me kushagwa kama sabre rap.
Okay.
Yeah, so mbishabu swaro.
Wow.
Hala is sub rap. I show it to him.
Yeah.
Ula kanyere ko.
That's
Wow. Hello bantu sub rap ka show it ma.
That's fine.
Can wow.
That's fine.
Yeah, so bishabu swara taka.
Beautiful.
About me.
Aside from my sashay, turn to TV in Yalanga. I can remember that the particular summer competition, Madana go you lot on.
Yeah.
The Rana Banagi.
Yeah.
You understand? So then the Hana Banaka video, you know, Kamisha comes as a Chanaka, and you come in, Kaso comes as a lovely apartment.
Yeah.
There are symptoms I know, and you'll symptom number do. But Wulandani emotionally, actor to come on. No, don't Zilema, because I cannot let us. I'm not putting you to buy you the love my art. I'm a love feeling.
Into yamanguna ndanye zbra ndanyar muna be like nirbu da kulat hale numba nima the likes of for while bra check lab zadina.
That's fine.
But like you know dinda nan kat polo kan na shama ka nirbu tip ma as favorite.
To win it.
Dradi truma vim.
Okay.
Drale per mala dabiam.
That's fine.
Because nirbu ni temuri to ben shao. The tote no ka lu surprise nirba. Because nyar fam. So surang urme ka
Wow.
ku surna woni to nam charu ku bishama.
That's fine.
The chang halet na.
Beautiful.
So the mami da dam sometimes as we mur ma ba dan trala focus.
Yeah, sure.
But so isn't too much, you know, I to lose focus.
That's fine.
So then the mazara tingala focus.
Wow, this has so like Ben Lera Carpenter don't D.
Yeah,
Because
yeah.
I could believe Macamaria. Final day, Matoko Kanaka don't D to rap, because I lose Matu. You understand? So then them Zasa, dra cast to
Dra kama suija.
Wow.
Because me
So now I'm beating him, brave the last one, Draconyala, Kamane, random
Random.
So random thing, what were you thinking about? Where were you thinking about? Because Abamia, you know, character actor.
Random.
Come in Nina Mazasa Pada.
Yes.
You understand?
Random nda calculate
Okay.
nda calculate pa ma be random beat. So random marba malagba ne jene.
Okay.
Ka calculate among.
That's fine.
Tumala there are like hip hop, there are 3 types.
That's fine. Okay.
Kazo to runkunye 1.
Okay.
Don't want to be bena, don't go chat.
Got it well.
So had drill but piano pool.
Yeah, sure.
Sabazunto. The cara drill pool, then I hear la hip hop za ingala.
Okay.
Catch hip hop the eye.
Wow.
So hip hop the bai ma miba, asa rap the jirla the bai ma zasa.
Wow.
Now the kind so la formula can apply, rap the bai can that.
Wow.
Kakumi that ya, kakumi that. Vivo about me beat come.
Zaire fallen. Because I can remember, no, me who saying that here, ka Papa Habitma, Kanyana Kubulunkuna. I know this guy is checking something out. He's checking something
yes.
out. So, like, at the end of the day, man, I put suspect to Makamani two rap guys.
Yeah.
Wow.
2 rap and down here.
Wow. Beautiful.
2 rap and down here.
That's fine. So at the end of the day, inside don't be announced as winner. Universal season 3 to Barway today is announced to everybody. Katazami Kamana Universal winner. Ula can Universal from minute 1 program man actually in that kind of orientation dance. Some Helen final night Mante award as the winner. Nandi Lure. Then Namzasa Ula can describe this particular year program from beginning to end.
For man, say top the mic will begin a gatinya.
Okay.
Kachi man Jimmy season 3 man. The way the polish man. Season 1 da changla. Season 2 da changla.
I see.
Season 3 man da nyas.
What shoes? Aside the car, what shoes? Aside
the car. I will media mazo.
Okay.
Media respond.
I see.
Media views.
Okay.
Nira cheka nirubus za media man.
Okay.
Like hyping my postra, sharing and other stuff.
Okay.
drop the mic like ndari binyara la.
Wow.
So how I really the views and other things. How my views. Did I show you that? How things I really all mommy, you know. Sometimes kaluru man yellow.
That's fine.
And I like
my lure man kunya.
Lure man
the barmoto can nakazal that me yas or so lure man kunya.
No, I like aside that.
Okay.
Seriously, because I really we were on live.
Okay. Yeah.
And on social media,
That's
Facebook page and interactions it was too much.
Wow.
And me, for example, I'm an extraordinary rapper.
Wow.
Life can you man.
I'm a man camarade hankal betraying you so up to describe.
No, you not chan understand the name for so many.
Okay.
You didn't check bangda okay to land that damn.
Wow.
Then the two man amazing.
That's fine.
Yes.
Beautiful. And you keep on amazing as day in day out. I'm never been on 2,000 times but then that's how you will see that same thing. You understand?
Yes,
so I'm keep pushing, let's see where we're gonna go. I'm Chop the Mic program. Do you think this particular year competition was it competitive enough? Like the bar boma, like dra match
because when you look at the beginning,
okay,
Sunda Ben Sekeji,
okay,
respect to Sekeji,
that's fine.
The build the friendship because I get talent to try indoors.
Okay,
but I did the best performer down.
That's fine.
And the best performer Karatuma
Kudzile pataba.
Oui.
Wow.
Kudzile pataba.
Can you never see?
Man, no, this is serious. We have to wake up.
Wow.
Competition that balama.
That's fine.
There are a tough time.
Wow.
So can lab to use from Landma. The next performance and that's the best performance.
Wow.
So it was competitive.
So there are none kana wake on the performer now. Akule wula ka manage to go the next comment. Because always people want to see that amazement and the year in your next comment.
Sunday come and I win the Lamandi.
Wow, okay.
Yeah, because people perform now. That's Silvar and Garma. Okay. Put to share Yuma. My wouldn't come on like Jaman like Mandy got be man. Now when it was real.
There are beers or like there are kuchanga ku sabra
Tikunage, Tikunaka. Man, into Mamda, you Dapsel Garma, you Mandy got is young. She check Bunakana Pavana, Sandy never. Because my popular man, classes come along, Chama.
Wow.
Mankuzan badges and some you carry like classes come along in a channel.
That's fine.
Seriously. So that's how we the chunk Thursdays as Mommy Sundays in here.
So the Rajim Nasabi Kachum Balvin Yalanga. Then can to find
Shana see the beat ma.
Okay.
Monday Azang Sunday ma Yuma and Bang beat and wake.
Okay.
Monday Kazan stay the beat ma.
Okay.
Tuesday Kazan peel first verse critical.
Okay.
Wednesday Kazan second verse. Sanaya. So Thursday me Friday Saturday Kazan I know you see sometimes in your competition man.
Okay.
And man the Diru catch you studio.
That's fine. Anyway, chat kana difficult than Kira to face a competition
difficulties.
Yeah, which maybe next coming season can wishing up pinpointers and to organize smart that you know correct maybe Mankula can but other smart than to support me than to song but got to me to happen after that.
Well,
he just a suggestion. Yeah.
Mommy, there are Zoya, I think I could be in my Matramala group.
That's
and we're all suggesting this is it. At least the good to know when you come and like location share. Maybe be can perform.
Okay.
Kabana Kushin man, I can TV Zelka monitor the my performances.
Okay. Don't you think that will give them the edge over Bamford German?
That's sometimes we change your performance, man.
Okay.
So I told them first.
So much. Okay.
So you also gather courage from there.
So maybe you know some man can share with
so Baba. You got to have and la the two like Russia can you at hide it among buildings.
That's fine.
Make up hide among buildings.
I think they make the sense.
Yeah,
it's very beautiful. They need Aladdin to never wake. Because it's really I could get a bazaar. No,
your mama among that girl, but picture.
That's fine. I can we witness instance whereby maybe Enfaruna Balama canales Kabukuru something like that. Then anything wrong with them then any suggestion as to the better way to handle that. Maybe goes or beat late or something like that. Because remember disqualify Shabakaranya through that not necessarily but perform la poor like a year. You tend to are right. That's fine.
Uncle always report to me. So I think Banga Changi money. When you know what you are there for.
That's fine.
You report on time.
Beautiful.
You try to report on time so
that's
that kapabunya fault.
Beautiful.
Yaman was having yaman fault.
Wow.
Hal throughout, braving yaman fault, and that monitor me the way I should be.
Okay.
So as I'm serious, kaka the two mama abide to rules and regulations.
That's fine.
So that you see the channel smooth.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Okay, so then you shambala manta assembler many rapper don't the plan you taba on a high TV. We are your real entertainment. The tunen tiga ni tingela ni vosha bambe tigla fashion design. Kajinde kuna kanyi ni voso mbore na yina mchana kabaka lehra was definitely kwa mama kamini tigla fashion design ki kwa hayu taba koshi ni suma nzanta amba the team mama kama na mi wala manda ati chandi shale nza ka walma katukube untana jana kokube nangana ngonko doctor ba mai chama wasto ka wasto wala ka na wonno wontama no ne mama nuru mi ma brother to ne ke ka ba da tibla fashion design o ba shatan tula tardir ba mama ka kana fi original ma yala dai ya da ku kana ta request ma tira sha ko na kale o yala manajia no nta on order ka zan na most definitely ko tisha zanta o binchan amma zambar manan ma sanan ta pisha na ta shanta no o ban la ban mama ka min ba kwa yo ta ba ban nan banyi dan pa skrima zo ma dan dai ko nan ka ko pula ka ko ba one time no abuka tanyala dai yambale amma nan labna don di sane right after this break don di ba hayil pale karatu ne take the phone but tana bunyala ne vosha bam brush through that is job the mic experiences dan ka tana ku go here to tan labna dan dai nan ka today yellango anna keep watching we are your real entertainment
Rapper Dondi Taka music yeah Bastop woso sakwa bombala ula yan kumame da kunu min chinchenga 10 million ayan famame petro hande siri kambe yiku ko kwe kumane masa wafo ko ni to faga nati ya yihe masa mane nyem na tombila o ya nyanta makan fole nyam karge bingo o tmakis kan fili Bozo can be feely, don't drop the mic, Chema can hit it. So rappers Malaya choki, don't do you keep failing. Oh, Pataba, rap my Pataba, Bombala, Nzuka Miataba, Memuna Mintangana, Nzuka Miataba, Bunyataba, Campuerba Bombala. Don't think man la poem kanaka gungo lelgo flow ya sa ya nriyo se kumpung bargo no total pressure ka be esini nyeru walgo yi tote last time yo bang ni nyingo korgo viana sango matotu lar ya ronyina ha ho we drop the mic pamanga yileb gambi masika koko koni makoko halka yin ya gbagban photo atade ka gbinsa koko to board nan leb go ambassador man kombo sini mutuo dagbambe ne shinka kula ulande na yituo ne dunguno kan so kula karga flan pada te try man also kan fofla so right now don't botan kan name is Mr. Popular. Hey, burra leje, a calculation una jeje, bed to na pick it for my ho, catch a premier bete. Because the mama rap shinka fucking you come de la pete. Among all competitions, drop the mic and lead it.
Yeah, man. Ande table ne sama $1 le yeah, ma meringi shambana ma tinyela de mvosha balabna muzefini on Hype TV. The many don't deep ni dena yure taba kan len lapti ga tinyela de mvosha bambeti bla fashion design. Mama ka pena bla fashion design yela de mvosha ban share ne ma amma designing kamza sa yela de mvosha ban namda la yela kabza ni ma na kanye de mvosha ban kware namda ne ma akoboy original leather slipan ma yela de mvosha ban mal table original leather ama cross na mambala ma dan namza sa yela de mvosha be ban mal background ma alle ma ba fiire definitely kanye de mvosha ban ma tulale shala an konde na nguna fura ma brada but ya swara ma kai na tulale wada malaya da bayira nan guna da kwambiyan ma na kumdare dondi yeah to love na ta tarna bela chop da my experiences ma bune mbona ta kana antinya ne this particular season ma some people were kind of like maybe the nyala season shala yinem nimvo shabanye competitors ma yindi banang lucky ka shamile karma la yinang lucky ko la sahama sagane da kamo TV barana pokona poncham you understand so la particular theme do you think that are affecting fame because the mala multi there are able your attention social media like you mentioned earlier can you pam that to do where you this step
and I know this step first got to realize that kabanye ben share pune ka understand for example mama draka multi TV so fine. People were finding difficult to monitor but I really build the Razul on Facebook Kazul page
so maybe Sagan nobody will bother about your
monitor page no know what is going on but then kabra kanma so rachi no never that there page ma ko share irum berna so I think there are some and we all halin tilanja cover the media intermal lot
that's fine
so when I grew up media that's the best thing
that's fine
so I think there are ndanyele bet
katamale effect but at the enaranya songs katam effect ma yala beautiful chata kana anta competition mana kunage ama drakunyala dondi every industry player every presenter want to have dondi close to himself drakunyala freestyle no kabukutwa bahe akura prepare yere you understand and right after la particular ten mana ku chanta shige the man la dondi trabu mje industry ma pune ya what happened your life experience after Chop the Mic?
After Chop the Mic, nothing happened.
Shabra and Araman La Lura, and the door again.
You know, that's a new experience for you. You have to.
Was that the case?
It wasn't the case. The case was people that would be surrounded
around you.
That would help because you know, Chop the Mic, after Chop the Mic, people were financing.
That's fine.
Yeah,
so was it organizing aspect being in particular as Dondi?
It was as mommy never that supported my Chop the Mic with finance. So after Chop the Mic,
as including you
and even life basics being shana.
Wow.
So didn't know. And I don't have finance here.
That's fine.
You see, I'm not always crying about finance here, but the thing is, the two me support Kubiani.
That's fine.
You know, being a champion, you have to finance.
That's fine.
So you have to take a step down to monitor or to arrange yourself.
That's fine.
In order to pick up.
That's fine.
It's not a problem. At least it's not the power month. Only 1 month in Kubanama. So daddy will decide don't deal and pick up and then besides that I went to my hometown.
Let's talk something about the homecoming. That particular homecoming was one of the biggest. It was one of the. It's a fancy get I'm not a chance to TVG ma was gonna a solution to Swelma. Asala la particular 10 ma. Najen Zama. Kabayina. Kuhura Kachiri. but Adam Chizo, come on, what I witnessed. Everton, but yesterday were cheering.
Dara close me. Tunda dama ku bela aku charna zamso. And then tunda ku step na dama shi su kam da chiro guda bule.
Kare ya so.
Kan chan halin na yi ma.
Kabori atang pagbelo. Yes to. How were you feeling at that particular moment now?
I was feeling proud because it make about proud.
Wow.
So I made to make it sharp.
I did have in the casa of Zonamzana, you know. I'm sure maybe Shabra in Dwele Chang.
No, Zamzon that way.
Wow.
Zamzon, Yendi, no, Zamzon, because Yendi that even me in Kamnama Yala. It was that Zamzon Kandakubi.
Wow.
I travel fly about.
Yeah.
But the way people really like Zamzon
came out in their numbers.
Mama, it's something that. Had John Mama Nana, the president's Bishop Canada, serious crowd.
I think Bassett and Mr. Sarad, you do us a favor. Lala particular some 1 minute, 2 minutes of Lala particular crowd, so that viewers man did it and fan Zampa. So Tonku Yaran will be for so that Yin Zamaman Rai. And then Yindaku Party immediately. Irachangla Zabjona Yazole Lang directly.
Yeah.
Go to Taroma.
What to my party? Man, we go to my party.
Wow.
First was Rap Sapashin Gura Dantama.
Wow.
Rap Sapashin. Kanachi Lagban Langbaratma de Barbu. Rachan Lagban Langbasana.
That's fine.
Go to Zangri.
So now I will or reflection. One of them, but Nabka don't need to solution or some band and woman man in the nation.
Yeah.
I'm not sure now man is no yes or yes, inside
well, we thank God.
Wow.
You know, now we challenge Kuramatete.
Inshallah.
Yeah.
And then today, it is Bonsua.
Thousands and netizens support the movement.
Wow.
Seriously.
Beautiful.
Oh, mommy.
And just say second, talk to people. Zabzona, what do you have for them?
Zabzo, Yalizwele. And Ibimba Marapa Dondi. Yempur Kapar.
That's fine.
Support Mark Bubia Kadichama.
That's fine.
I think it is on the program share, it is on program shares and Kana.
Okay.
After Salah.
That's fine.
It is on program shares and Kanayima.
Okay.
The two Yina to tap song.
That's fine.
Ka to Nzang Le Changvin Yalanga.
That's fine.
To more videos and
that's
then
fine.
More collaborations. Yeah.
That's fine.
So Karkuchang Lasa, Katu Gary. Whiskey Nama, the likes of the video Numzas and
that's right.
Got a Sako the energy on target and Bama.
That's right.
Yes, sir. No Sako dear so.
One also.
With the support, no Sako dear so.
I know so.
Yes, sir. Yes, very good supported.
All right, beautiful. Dondi. About the side, I wanted to Canada and competition marana, and Yarani some management approach in me. People wanting to take care of your affairs.
Yeah, a lot.
Okay.
You know, and
so they shall be clicking.
They shall never click.
Wow.
But shall be on process. Then click.
Wow.
Shall be on process, but you know, as life goes on, we just hope for the best.
That's fine, definitely.
Even you can be in under a record level for 1 week self-cry.
Yeah.
Casablanca to power.
Yeah, definitely.
If the day Kunyala, they really want the good of you, they really want to take you.
Okay.
You know, it's not about financial, it's about team.
That's fine.
I need a team.
That's fine.
People that will surround with link up with ideas.
Yeah.
How we will work.
Wow. That's fine. Beautiful. That's fine. So I'm generally for go each of the mic and then kakana new project na mapune. Generally, how has life been treating you Dondi after the competition? People aside maybe United project they find it hard to reach out to you. They've been asking Dondi mama bravo mama halakantamale message na mashanga wore Hussein. People were kind of defeat here, so when that trap pressure, actually, what? They were texting me, so the numbers are the work of God. That's fine. So how has life been treating you after the competition? Life is smooth. Okay. To mama, to work to find out that
we were just there for some reasons.
That's fine.
Some family issues.
Wow.
Yeah, I think
Then
after
back.
some family issues,
That's
because
fine.
family I'm a responsible person now, and I need to take care of the family.
That's fine.
So that's Yilan's Akachi family.
Wow.
Because of Chop the Mic.
Wow.
Being a champion, no, then they know you are on pressure. So they have to also lay low.
That's fine.
So after Chop the Mic, certain responsibility, you have to do what?
That's fine.
You have to now go and work it out.
That's fine.
So I think I'm also just a human being, normal human being like you, the
That's
fans.
fine. Okay.
So don't do that to solve issues, Sean.
Okay.
I
So
think that's
you are
1
okay
month,
now.
2 months.
That's fine.
For now, I'm okay.
That's fine. Beautiful.
From fan base to fan base.
Okay.
Just appreciating, thank you so come support Donzi.
I'm doing a lot of particular competition, massa expectations that rise upon.
Okay.
Nirabra ko shabra ko tsala kaman don kunna don diyan konkla Ghana. Kashabe na Africa.
No, man.
I'm coming, you know, mommy. Shabe thank you. Some people are feeling disappointed. Because like ara me nte kama ntiche kaba believe karamala kama Africa. Rapala kan she don't need. So they were least expecting Nana be tambeshel polongo. Amama da be competition ma pune. Anya recommend me smart career from all angles and all corners. You understand? Te here sa shalamo. Dan na ake bayara changya anda wishira na changsham. If maybe the chang why the causes
mama da put me problem ka work I did seven as crowned as the winner ninth magba nda yelle me ye competition ne kan jama.
That's fine.
Ye ni na shelo na ka competition mbara.
That's fine.
Competition ne kan pa chero.
That's fine.
Now then it's real.
Wow.
Because there are several artists out there.
I remember,
And you know, Ngwana fan base is hard kabato use aine kabato use kam.
That's fine.
So come malombe lo shapu. And so you have to compete before you can gather fans, man.
That's fine.
And it's a lot. Just strategizing.
That's fine.
So from competition to Ulagati and Polma battle.
Okay.
From competition to war. Kanda Yinama. So I already know what is going on. From competition because
Zamamanda made a competition way now. Wow. From Dunia to
Jahannam. And so we are just trying to fix things, catch our fans, man, understand.
Then Karana, the first song no quantity Karaman commercial song Daniela Bombala. Arapan Sabalme ka whilst and the big competition upon Bere Namakana, you know, with that.
After competition, Ndakujimika engineer Macol.
Wow.
Mala beat Santama. Blue beat. Respect Blue beat.
That's fine.
Oraku going can piano in carry the mark ni Bombala. Zoka Miataba. Muna Mindangana. Don't ding my lap poem, Kanaka Bungo Lialgo. Flow Yasa Yanri se Kumbumbargo. Little tap pressure Kabe is in a year well go. You told last time you were banging in Yingo Corgo. Te Afura for Masa Makaneko King Dila. The Nangalej Yaida Kurko Gugar Grada. Adam de la Rapa was on the Pala Ndir Sala. Te Mankiller La Fashion Jakam Gucci and Prada. Mala Frame Pong, Umbedam Chiltong. Ndir Canton, Kalanton Yeshintang, was many popcorn, Canon, you're welcome. Okay, welcome to my rap kingdom. Kasapreku, I'm really Yaden Levaburgu. Abe Facebook, that's stingy, tied the bag garden, Quamurugu. I you saw Peto Cadon the Dumuna Mana Urugu. Canvicato, Passaro, Migado, Mani Rappes over. Yam not on Bila. We are not making folly.
Folia.
Yam cargi bimo. With Makis can feel it.
Filia.
So rappers Malay choke, don't di Yinaki feel
it. Failure.
Man Yarbama, ye, man ye daban rap lakum.
Okay, so lakume.
Yamuza Mapale, Anonsa.
Oh, la.
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Daban rap lakum. So as a Mapale, Anonsa.
Wow.
Yes.
So daban rap lakumo. So the me and you, because my name, my rapper.
Okay. To Kupong, lakum, legal lakum, little canali have power.
Anabi Ibrahim Bila. All right, bombala. Mdanye kazamana nyeni mvoso mwenye very classic studio video nzantele. So akana talenta ada tu na takmole kana antipi yele parlement pune. Yele parlement nyala live be time. Wale motivate ko to bole live be time the two ne idide da fane katiza saban. Kakana antipi systematic review of each and every lyric on la particular song ma. Nkwan nanka banka mana ya. One yala unwama the mean along. Because I cannot tell the punchline shall nyala ben shell them better puna car cosm mess out there in the industry. Ne sheta bundle na lagare bishaba na jifi ko to move to zambatune and sa yona me yele ne tere bihe dan kana ka tatinya nyanta don di mamman da yama so nda sable to be mun yele ka wala ko mi ne ma dan nam za sai yele ne fo shabe bande da banyandi da fane don di to mino po hanye den Euro taba on Hype TV that time we are your real entertainment you Swale Al Hassan we are streaming live from Tibula Fashion Design Takana keep watching
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Hype TV.
Yeah, Tibula Fashion Design category and streamer to many beba pre Don D Hype TV ka watcher ma yula asane. That's right. Don D. That's a kana antipi la particular bangamana. Everybody is talking about it. Everybody is talking about it. Life be time.
Life be time.
Life is time.
Yes.
Life be time.
Life is time. There won't a time in yelling. A time in a pana.
Okay.
Nazang solo. Then kana.
Okay.
Because now nama ne abin ayuban so ayu even nanda in kuzang solo then
that's fine
in they give up ba give up na asar ko nan
la particular yilma de nan la nerba pamla ba denye donzi yilama and the reason is that the message in la particular song is very deep especially recent alle recent yilshanga de yena 2021 is hard like anato kubonye bansma de ko pa onyama praise roma the anyala yurla mila tenari binyala hankala gila out there you understand the few ko bene and your own ma happen to be very deep
real one
wula kara doya harabe I mean occasion the nakada be kala particular lyrics ma to duana where you kind of facing something lala moments ma be what was happening ka to tell
fans ma the crash mana
okay
with too much accuses of Adonia, Atabgaria.
Wow.
So I was just trying to let them know that they should have patience with me. Then as far as Ndaya nearby that we are targeting the future.
Wow.
I like Pim Bensha Kamle shows that I'm a very attractive rapper who is targeting the future.
Wow.
In description Kamle Lakanya.
That's fine.
So we'll make it Bezam solo.
That's
time man park. That's what I'm just trying to show the people.
Wow.
And company worker. They are starting.
So the fans pressure man that la particular inspiration man to come out with that song.
That my inspiration man. Kacha bang. Yeshata bandos nation from nowhere. Could be
one time no.
Defense could be a TV and could be TV. You understand? I'm the Kashata bandos. On kisi bishama. Tunyarle, tukunya short. Kareka bishu na waso baka bibla. Now so kareka bibla. Ama to be frankly, we can fine boys. G-Face no fine girl.
Lala.
Fine, to a fine boy.
Sanyala high media ka problem. Face is handsome then shut up.
No problem.
That's fine.
You know, is man year time. Ye mumal armja.
Okay.
So then can show him.
Okay. So look at my chamaka tenji asahashara mo. Kasi tapanda pa via
G-Face.
Lala.
Ma normal bien.
By G-Face move behu.
Oh, my G-Face.
Any was shall go Zambi so channel.
I'm not G-Face and pay. I'm a G-Face movement. Answer loud.
So Sala Lerla, young industry player, move deep.
Avant la.
Compare your.
No, I'm Respect, bro.
That's why.
It's a trend. To know the yet.
That's why. Wow.
But it's not a problem. It's just a message that don't go turn nearby hankale.
So like you just decide okay, to spice up things.
Spice up things.
No boire, never understand to beautify the song.
From nowhere. That abandons from nowhere.
Wow.
Now Zontokuina, Gunya Loroka, Moss Bishamba. Well, my mama is young now. So it shows that life is time.
I'm Abazan job that my Moss Bishamba.
Because but dwell music man.
The ladies bila, you know, saka bedwala si karga biba gumu
Zaman into my yellow.
Now chop the mic check heat.
You see,
they
cannot Shatabandos.
Wow, yeah.
You see that thing?
That's fine.
Shatabandos, Nigerian girls. Crab.
Aja for real names.
Zasa, Zuma snap. So it shows that life is time.
That's fine.
And be a woman time and yell. Nico Page, come on that domino from nowhere. Drop the mic, lorry.
Wow.
Yeah. Then that with people saying
no, I wow.
Yeah, iPhone
don't let them can now but my lord to my private jet
straight Malanya ma alur kana even now ni charity.
That's right.
That phone ba phone.
Wow.
So after drop the mic can you phone can you lure.
Wow.
This is plus
a very great transmission
showing that life is time.
That's fine.
Serious.
Okay, so la particular yelama is that a competition masa hakisable be kunna makina ikana ante zangle ante
the mala prophecy ila mara bonere yina.
Okay.
Ama kana on balso.
Okay.
Moyen viergele Cardima Chang Vin Yelanga.
Okay.
So Yilava from the Provasa no now on that pun sablemason. Karen Chanka Chang.
Okay.
So after chop the mic, didn't have a yina cut a bomberama, it was something
because the master Luma drapu hit maba. It was on Facebook, Facebook timeline and so
but anyway,
session.
This is the right time.
Wow. How did you manage to get on the Donzi rather on the song?
The Donzi is a brother.
Okay.
It's just like Wish Child. It's very simple.
Wow.
Yeah, aqua new collaboration open stressor.
That's fine.
The only thing is just that you have to provide the need.
That's fine.
As a brother, it's a business man can be repugnant, so we know what is going on.
That's fine.
There are going you through attacker.
Okay.
Kanda you attack and kolo. Kayulo no boy no bonne. When sham can sham go accept it, and that's how Bam can be jam.
Wow.
Yeah.
So and I explain the concept as and then okay meet a studio me record it. Because the short studio session you all were enjoying Kataka but enjoy come on you understand? He's another 4 year verses and another pool and what Bonda doing.
Oh, it's a hit. It's a hit. Ma attack a yellow video. It's a hit, man. It's a hit. Yellow video up.
That's fine. Yeah. Okay, chat cannot let video ma. That can also shoot the road. And the audio is audio ma ngule miale. Tizzle. Wow, big up to Tizzle. And nabe okay lelepam. Chat can video ma phone. Director Anas. He shot the video. Is it that you know your concept chanted to be una because you be Amita malaza saki be ma be dunia zusa mbala ko be sang bana on ler na dare
where dem dey where ni ya be e ma mi azu chan sak bana zo o concept on konyele from A to
you know ko za ila to calculate
ka plan kai nang yang kan mo ka tian chan ka chan
okay
o shaka
yeah so like ula kada kana because is it that director azan ya matambro mazo ka fly ya because man ko yimbe zusa na be onko yegar mane nare ne jela
no
malaika moto mende
Jibril mom director na so no be shaka
wow
you see umela concept and I really design my background and my everything on the video man jimmy Ojima so video la. I'm telling you.
Yeah, I think so.
Mama,
I'm very sure the wala video man.
Can you talk be? Come on, like you just say
because if Bezos sama, you know, is Tanozoki jama be be drama.
Tanka tanda kujimba ka ko nante tentenya ka te Bezos. Wallahi.
Wow.
You see, this is
Zazo biako. Na rotuno na stando na tanam tunete Bezos sakala
battle. Zazo no.
That's right. Anyway, mbona tsakanati nyanya like alle ibala zo saka watch the tangbane ya polo mbala location because Tamale. So Tamale zai nkube tanshama dema.
Tamale.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Beautiful. Aside la particular parts ma muna beginning aspects ma balama. Then your studio be pune.
Yeah.
And then telanyi lo shel polo ka kubu. Rapper ne check partial balama. Na yerba where them day.
Domina wala mashi. Dozo di donzi bwana ya rabi tena na mwere nyinyaro wa.
Na rapper don't di. You understand? Can relax. You understand? You put it
that's the studio nunkunyele.
That was studio. Wow.
Studio nunkunyele.
So different setups. So video madens as how many locations in Berepune?
Location man. It's only one location but Shamao.
There's our studio. Nah, Tamaleza Sambanama.
Tamaleza studio. Studio.
So why afama one day one power
you understand?
Wow.
Very creative.
Wow.
Mama no can to edit can export to Tetma. Ninyel no now. Now we for now.
Wow.
I swear.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Find out the tunete kana ante climaxi and then take the video mas and chairman mark did it and fine. I don't kubore na tapo, you know, look 2 years ago the time the freestyle ma and zampa so that ka te den tunete me lyrics shama ka te ne den venja la ka chairman ma to zi the damn fine. So the treatment cham shilega zanta. Lele oh mama Where them day. Let's go. Somebody
tell me where them day.
Somebody tell me where them day. Yakirabe.
To wild machine yakarabe. Hey, love the time. Love the time. Listen. Biagunya latam anto bolle standing fan le vobere maganda so ritenan karve paga kaninen fan de memem vup so tulum sa shele halle kadman labu shutura ga so Bundan yi kujiro mang ya cheloko dio manga dome abamiyo nang shamba be ku cheloko dio manga nabe abatam yitapana abangu kapukata gben yi magbana 11 plus kan dan tu mujana chata bandel ni jengo bubu fiala mon kisi bi shawaji facebook to lava so zore believe na wona gobne za fiale men za bia wuntuma chele jolo singum za bana ato kwase zo bia na manin gbena na bo herba we them day dome ndabe nyaba wala mashi Yesu di donzi boy bane ya rabbit na na mwe de nyinyar weleke
rapa dondi
sasa ya matana na bisan
tanda besano we na pargo ba na chana ya nda gulan ni ai palare ya kyang matanyale izo wonta ya pia na ka to mura para you understand
yes
ramen ko ta ka to ku na ga so ka wana sheku be ka so an biso nule na ko nya ya da
calculate the system before can and our children or else you no go get money that will feed them can put to some baba better mal problem Dezo kulema tempa nzu challenge ka chemampa aipa alaji bompa sa mo de trayer chairman samba kama lambala 12:30 am the tune ya call edem sa papa ya no work with zakura baby
don't di chankana apa alaji bompa so you remember ga ko create na
alaji bompa akobelo le kam
wow
is just a name can to recognize it like Alaji Bompa.
Okay.
It is there, so you'll be able to Alaji Bompa.
Wow.
And
sa Apo sa hawako to try chama samba.
No, ako to try.
Tomwara.
Mami Alaji Bompa. Alaji Bompa can you.
That's fine.
Mommy, sometimes Shabian big man, Shabian begin to
Yeah, but you lady. That's fine. That's fine. So, Pasha Lankanaka, then after a large bomb from our king.
So I'm going to try your chairman, Samba. Tama Lambala 12:30 evening. Tuna call it.
That's it. The Tuna call it Edem. The Tuna Mezakura.
Because Sapapa and Zakura. Baby Mark and Tuba meet.
Explain it to us.
The Tuna means Zakura.
Edem won't come here. Yeah, wow.
Edem.
The Tuna call.
Colo.
Edem
from 16 bars, no, I think we hook up.
Wow.
Mama goes through.
Wow.
That, you know, sometimes I not tell Namila, Edem no longer can we shall.
That's fine.
Yeah.
So, Zabu catch up.
Can't meet them, Navura. And I will let in session or rappers Napu.
That's fine. Zangala Tabakati, you'll say. So, on cat
Sapapa, and no work with Zakura, baby Macantaba meet. The minute time yellow to a man, Arisia. Welcome towards a car here. Can't believe in it, trust your process, Zoom war dear. Jealousy part to my son never pana, do suka and veer sadia. Never where them did. Trust your process. Come on, I give you for Salman Birka, I took a chip in pay. I believe no, the captain beer you pump, Jan Tavel and Pira. This I'll trust the process, my Capucha could believe it. I believe now to Nangata. Capu Bim Jana.
Wow.
Capu
Saputum that yes,
you
go make up
to Laka to Pajama.
Life be time.
Life be time.
Talk to the people. Talk to the people. In the Manila, the 10 years session about the Pulocana to the video, my Antonio YouTube. To search Donzi Gazali. That's fine.
And Donzi Gazali.
Antonio. What about the audio?
Audio Antonio Audio Mark.
Okay.
As Donzi Gazali.
That's fine.
I could search Donzi Gazali. Donzi Live the Time.
That's fine.
Then Yelemetana.
That's fine.
And Antonio Hype Media GH.com.
That's fine.
Antonio Zola Online.net.
That's fine.
GhanaTrace.com.
That's fine.
And other media platforms Mazo.
Beautiful. Yeah, social media handle quickly. I'm Facebook. What's the name?
Donzi Gazali.
Donzi Gazali.
Instagram Donzi Gazali.
Okay.
Twitter Donzi Gazali.
That's fine. Channel
Donzi Gazali.
Oh, YouTube channel
Donzi Gazali.
All right.
I could search Donzi Gazali.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
I'm a Yaramba finally the final ambition as a chaps.
Yeah. I could promise reference man. I could disappoint here. This is the time.
That's fine.
Life be time.
That's fine.
So this is our time.
That's fine.
To prove that we are surely gonna make you proud.
Beautiful.
So keep on supporting.
That's fine.
Share him here. I'll video channel watch you. Share him.
That's fine.
Hype TV. Ka subscribe baby. Ka follow Hype TV.
That's fine.
Then category from there.
Beautiful.
They give you an app.
That's fine.
Support come on to Donji. You not support it.
That's fine.
I won't put you into shame.
That's fine.
I won't disappoint.
That's fine.
This is the time to prove that Dundee is finally here.
Beautiful.
On the lamb line.
That's fine.
Straight up.
Is anything next for you?
Next for me?
Yeah.
What?
Yeah, what's next for you? That's what I mean. They have about not disclose it.
Next for me.
Yeah, what I mean is that
English one.
Yeah, Tunisia, you know, I'm sounding matter diamond. Tunisia,
next for me.
Okay. Like the time.
Okay, okay, I understand. What is next for me is just something huge.
Okay.
A collaboration that is huge.
Okay.
Being disclosed.
That's fine.
But keep on timeline mazo. Good monitor.
That's fine.
We will bring something out.
Beautiful.
It's a collaboration. It's very mad.
That's fine.
Just keep on watching.
Tanto gets a rapper to rapper, rapper and singer,
the tuning debate ma
okay,
so Bunagesa.
Beautiful. What can you Tibula fashion designer?
Tibula fashion designer.
You know, I'm a Canada made in Ghana. Everything. Flower.
Tibula fashion and design.
What can you environment, man?
Can you hear my wow. Mama, yeah. Several times got to Canada.
That's fine.
Fashion.
That's fine.
You see, I chop them out by the bra fashion. Other things.
Beautiful.
But trap to your time.
That's fine.
Got to passion yet to child, little bang that, yeah. I number sharing with Payama to now. atukumar ini bishop
occasion
you come na pay. That's fine. Just come here. You get it affordable and very like
very neatly designed and affordable
and sharp for you.
That's fine.
Quick
beautiful.
Yes sir.
Okay, Amadinye Shambalama, it's been a very beautiful, long but interesting interaction with Dondi. Kamza Sadano Tuni, Abang Nzanjano Upolo, and the Tablanyala Yalan Vosomundi, the Zaza Danfane, the Yala Tibetu Taja Angalashanga, Anto Texi Yala, o social media handle Shanga on Bolama, Onyalan Vosobe, Utim Yalan Vosha Banya reply, Ambalama, Bangman streaming of video, and then the Tunan Tega Yatin Yalan Vosha broadcaster live from Tibula Fashion Design Mbalama Menyalene Voshabe Banko Haro Cross Cinema original ledanama Nyerezasa Kanyene Vosha Banko Haro Slipanama original ledanama Akanat Lehenta Habenyalene Vosha Banlan Share Akubore Chinchine original material GTP or whatever Menyalene Vosha Banyan Shale and Zanta Menan Kanyene Voso Kubor modern materials ma Nanamza Sabenyalene Vosha Banyan Shale Zanta they are very dope and also they are fast and quick in the delivery balama bang mama kamin ba fo ayu tababu number nyi dampayama na makamala suna da makamala malaya ka jamaa shabayan kana be parcel shabayan kana anta joban dirgo zanta kutuma mbwala 2000 place of rice 2000 takeaways onyala ni mo so nyan dole nzana anta zanzanta ka azang save in yalla ama a guest ma ka diven dirgo ma ven yalanga dan konko na ona to larga albarka be kamana sansa. You understand? Okay, so Pangma Manganta Haka, Mene Sarafina Sports Car, Ipoha, Utaba, Wazas, and Yelani, Voshabe, Bantabrosone, Hype TV, Nema, Sarafina, Yelani, Voshabe, Bamale, Drink, Balba Kamzasa, Unquara, the Nekunanka, Vosum, Bola Malt, Abola, Yala, I mean, any kind of mineral drink, Kaiko Chanimana, Yelani, Vosum, Yanzi, the Danfane, Ka drinks Marconco, Cabani, Vosha, Banquara, a Chanimani Yama, and Teroqueste, Banana, and Ta, Yala, Zamu, Bopo. Let's lapia mkozang lazanda nga place na kana yang mahala na zube chero fune was definitely ka jella ka sipra you understand denye shambala ma pang mama Sarafina Sport amin ba po ayu taba anyela ne voso winya file ven yala nga bede to konanka hoster match shele you understand what that match you know the chairman zambe heme ere menra shanga and they to konanka mal football match a changa ne mara nyela ne voso bambia ne do serve you really well and then nyela ne voso bantumde ama bia kamza ay ko changement de ade yon sa shel kamza sa karo ko bana bokma moto be alure ndaba hanyala ne voso nya bani mane pe kan yan zan ka po ka paso kamza sa nangban yene rapper don di temino po ha ne yu tabakwa mama ka follow you babamla in yalla ka subscribe zanti channel mo ntatable ogbaza sa channel Tibula Fashion Design mane ka tinye ne voso ban na shoot ma don ko nan ka tan nan le na ka tira zanjang sponsorship na mapoloma dende ko nan ka ba kana to place a advert be a video on a product on this particular program tinyala no vashabe bayan kwara agbada gulma ven yalaga no zodene konanga monitor akpang mama ka tata dm tinyala no vashabe bayan reply imbalama highmediag15.com te gmail imbalama inbox mte tinyala no vashabe bayan reply if yala ven yalaga tinyala no vashabe bayan zan a product ngazan pascript mazo you know what akana tele channel de combien ma halaka tananta kan kat yansa karna biane so den de ko nan kat ba video ma lalan ko nyala business ma ko bela de zo forever and ever hat mena yit katems ba onirba yikan nan to watch la million years to come menyala ni voshabe banna kon kopra anamba ma nyande ba ta namba balama on kolera en hitra apka min wa ke nan da dabilam yul swale al hasan sando kan yina ama the brains behind camera na ma tinyala ni voshabe male ama bondi balama on nye CEO zanti great media and table in yalla director anas champion ma you know yalla banko be onyanga ka video tula ma ke da fan ma woni Mr Sadat Mbalama menye ne voshabe ban shoot this particular beautiful video share and watch it ma Hussein Mohammed na ko abele yalla ne voso npiana and tap song from High Media Kiruma Pune na zampuru song zanti zamane anta woni ne voso produce system no the work and to have to feel a bit it's all well pia in a to subscribe channel kadolo or social media handle dan nam za sa yala ne vo shabe ban yan ba hadide da amfani kan yan te ga ya piam na tibla fashion design amma a piana ne kam za sa ana bar material kam za sa ana bar original made material dan nam za sa yala ne vo so mun yan yala embalama tibla fashion design ne ma kan yan chansan kan ku canga ba kullu herman ku canga ba kullu herman ku canga ba kullu herman kan talle nya ka ba ku da duwala ba na ba 3-1 da yala dondi kan chan so 3-1 ma ban yala ma ba a sheti yana ma miti yana ma tan da ma so bana jin yale la 3-1 ma dan nan ni chamma ka ban yala wa na kan da chama ba jin to ne da mira yala zafare o ya ma ndaga ban so ne na nan ta katar kala jirma di da fala wa di banan ize kwa ngwa man ka piana ta o gbaza san yala ne vorso ngombe Facebook kambala ma kana to sechu yulma nyala tibla azule be tibla azule that's right tibla azule de tela nyende ko secha nyala ne vorso mo yanye o page like am ka sheye ne kamza saka nye page ma yalmo ne mo ka bora na repadana nyan lanje ban shawo nyala ne vo so mo nya make la available anzanta den ye shamza sambala ma one more time na pokiru ma za sanan bayan ablan woman damle on yolo swale ala Hassan Hype TV ka nya ne vo so mo watch ma bang ma man ka subscribe so da sa shele kamza sakati ta ba video anyala ne vo so din yan notify ka nya the first person to watch the video that time ne ambale any other suggestion Zanta Tanasura to preview videos got to correctly and Zantan Yakiri Afane. My name remains Issa Sandavle. This is Hype TV, where your real entertainment. Keep watching. We out.
Sizzle.
Rapa machekane Dundee Nephew rapa dana kane Banga
Where them there, where them there where them there, where them there, where them there. Somebody tell me where them there, where them there, where them there. Where them there, where them there, where them there. Somebody tell me where them there. Yakidabe, 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 yakadabe, yakadabe. Wala wanini yakadabe. Life it I know, life it I know.
Anto Gwelle standing fan the vobre maganda so that nan karfo paka kan nin fan the memin fu so tulum sa shel halle kan man lab shuto la gan so pundan yuku diro man ya cholo ko dio man yo abo mi onan shangba be ko cholo ko dio man abatam yite pana abangu kapukata ben yima bana 11 class kan dam to mujana chata bundles ni jengo go bu fiala amo kisti bi shaba ji face ko to laba so sorry believe him now when the governors have yell me zab ja wuntuma chele jolo see yum zabna ato kwase so obi an manin gbina na po here ba where them dey domin da ban yaban wahala ma she do so di don se bo he ban yabra betin da nan ma here nyin yare welke rapa ma take kan
where them dey, where them dey. Where them there, where them there, where them there. Somebody tell me where them there, where them there, where them there. Where them there, where them there, where them there. Somebody tell me where them there. Yakidabe, 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 yakadabe, yakadabe. Wala wanini yakadabe. Life it I know, life it I know. Atam ye te bag sheka mekli Wayo sheka mekli Asani le gare sheka lusili Abarka ke sheka lusili Atam ye te bag sheka mekli Wayo sheka mekli Asami le gare sheka lusili Abarka ke sheka lusili Galata dunia be Tulupam Aina bu bag de tulupam Dama biama ine Balapam Amargi pu de vyalapam Galata dunia be Tulupam Aina bu bag de tulupam Dama biama ine balapam, I'm ready to put the balapam.
Dundee, calculate the system. That's right. Before Canaan to our children, or else you no go get money down feed them. Kakuto song bagba with the problem. Chala bewardamba, marumuna manamba, beber samba, dola aku chirga samba. So cool ma tempa, so chala shirka chamampa. Aipa alaji pompa, saha the try the chama samba. Kama lamba la 12:30 AM. The tune ya call it Edem. Sa papa ya no work with Sakura baby him I can't tell meet them. The minute time ya le twa mana de shia. Welcome to Sakari here. Can't believe in the den trust your process unzo wardia. Jealousy part to masana bana don't suka envy sadia. Na boere ba where them day. Domin da ban yaba wahala ma she. Deso di dosi bo hembane yaba rap betina nang ma here nyinyere welke. Rapa ma chekane. Ne pure rap adana kane.
Where them